Hello everyone! Welcome to Aegis Blue Salon. So what we have here right now is my kabayan. My kabayan is from Saudi and now visiting Lahore for a vacation. And anong pangalan mo na, be?
Sunny.
Sunny is my kabayan from the Philippines, visiting me here in Lahore, and I'm very proud and happy as well. And together with his friend, आपका नाम क्या है भाई? उस्मान ना. आपका नाम क्या है? अबिया. आपका नाम क्या है? Zian, di ba? Together with the family. And ayun lang, they're going to celebrate the upcoming
Eid season in Lahore.
And you know what guys, my kabayan is always coming here in Lahore because of you have some business also.
Small business and some friends.
Diba? Nakaka-proud, no? You know, a lot of Filipino community now here in Pakistan also that, you know, they love living here, you know, they love to visit Pakistan as well. And how do you feel? And you know, naka-overwhelm naman. Natouch ako kasi dinalaw nila ako dito all the way from
Riyadh. Pero nandito kami sa Iqbal Town.
And
the services are premium and I believe the price is on budget, affordable. So I'm inviting everyone. You can come here in his shop. And there is a very good services that you can have and at a very affordable price.
Parang saya-saya lang, no? So how do you feel that we meet?
Kasi matagal ko na siyang pinapanood. Talagang sabi ko, when I come to Lahore, pupuntahan ko siya talaga para madala rin yung mga bata magpagupit. Tutuwa nga ako kasi nag-meet kami. Dami kong time na gusto ko siyang ma-meet. Ngayon lang nagkatotoo.
Ano ba? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Natatouch naman ako. And my mother also in Saudi, no? Yeah, and also you will accommodate me there, right? Thank you so much.
Let's enjoy this happy day. Let's celebrate.
Bye.
Let's celebrate.
No.